let's get started on these honey turkey sliders. This is something that my mom requested from a potluck from her job, and this was my first time and only time ever making an attempt to make these sliders. And before someone comes at me in the comments, I do not own a bread knife, and I'm a firm believer in use what you have and trust the process. This is most definitely a learning experience. At first, the little knife was doing it, but I had to switch to something bigger because I was definitely struggling. After slicing the Hawaiian rolls, I sprayed a cookie sheet covered with aluminum foil with nonstick cooking spray. Now, this is my first time. I had to ask my mom, "What do you put on it?" And my mama was like, "Go ahead, put a little mustard on it, baby." So that's what I did. Then I grabbed one of my favorite sandwich cheeses, Swiss, and added it to the mix. And I also made sure I untucked that little piece, just in case. Just put it over like boop, like just like that, and then you add all your cheeses. Next up is honey turkey, and I like to fold it over on any sandwich that I make, just so I can get a whole lot of turkey because I like me some turkey. Like, then I add my second favorite sandwich cheese, provolone, and I even made little slices for the little pieces because that corner piece, it's just its own sandwich. It has its own everything. Then I pop on the top like so, and I start to create a little herb mix on the side. Now, what you're about to see is my attempt to drizzle a garlic, butter, and herb mix on top before covering it up and placing it in the oven. And this is how it looked when it was finished. That poor little smushed bread. Of course, this is my first and only attempt at ever making sliders. But when I made my plate, I definitely added my own toppings and added some chips on the side.